From Ghana to Bonn, why the June climate meetings matter to us. Hello, lovely people of Ghana and across Africa. My name is Aaron Akwete, reporting for Pram City TV. And today we'll turn our attentions to Bonn, Germany, where the world is currently gathered for the United Nations June climate meetings, officially known as SB62. You may not hear much about it on the evening news, but what's happening there directly affects our communities here in Ghana, from flooding in Accra to drought in the north, and even the way our farmers plant food. So, what exactly is SB62? It's the 62nd session of the subsidiary bodies under the UN Climate Convention. These are the typical meetings before the big global summit, COP30, later this year in Brazil. At SB62, experts and negotiators from all over the world, including Ghana, are meeting to work out how we move from climate promises to real action. Here are some of the big topics on the table and why they matter right here in Ghana. 1. Climate finance. Ghana and other African countries need fair access to climate funds for solar power, clean water, and flood defenses. 2. Carbon market. These talks set the rules for trading carbon credits. Ghana has projects in forestry and clean energy. We must benefit fairly. 3. Loss and damage. What happens when floods destroy homes in Ashaiman or sea levels in Ningo and Pram? Ghana needs a real support, not just sympathy. 4. Food and agriculture. Our farmers need climate-smart solutions. SB62 is debating support for sustainable farming. 5. Transparency. Countries must show proof of what they are doing. Ghana's climate reporting matters now more than ever. Ghana is not sitting quietly. Our negotiators from the Ministry of Climate pushing for strong commitment and more fairness for Africa. Ghana is also part of the African group of negotiators calling for real results, not more empty promises. So why should you care about a climate meeting happening thousands of kilometers away? Because decisions made in Bonn shape your water bills, your electricity supply, how we protect our coastlines, and how we create new green jobs for the Ghanaian youth. Climate change is not just tomorrow's problem, it's today's crisis. After SB62, everything leads to COP30 in Brazil later this year. But this is where the real work begins, shaping the draft decisions, negotiating climate finance flows, and pushing for justice for nations like ours. Ghana must be ready, not just with words, but with solutions, data, and bold leadership. At Frontline for Climate Action, we will continue to follow the story. We are calling on the youth, traditional leaders, policymakers, and you watching to care, to speak, and to act. Climate justice is our fight too. From Ningo Pram to the Virongo, this is our future. I'm Aaron Akwete with Frontline for Climate Action, reporting from Ghana, and this is Pram City TV, where global stories meet local truths.